This scenario takes place aboard a vessel during a routine engine room watchkeeping turnover. The outgoing watchkeeper, the third engineer, has experienced a malfunction. The main engine fuel oil supply pressure is fluctuating. The fourth engineer is coming on duty for the next watch, and the turnover must include clear communication, proper troubleshooting, and safe handling of the issue. Third.
So, good morning, Port. You are right in time. Let's go through the turnover. Main engines running at 70% FCR and generators number 1 and number 3 are sharing the load.
Morning. Morning. Third, engine control from our 8 hours. Problem solved for now. I keep monitoring the pressure closely. Good. What so far? Looks steady. Any issue?
Yes, we have got a problem with the fuel oil supply pressures to the main engine. It's been fluctuating by about 3 to 4 bars during my watch.
That's not normal. What you have done so far?
I checked the fuel oil heater temperatures. They are normal. Drained the service tank to check for water contamination but found nothing. I switched to the standby fuel oil booster pump and the pressure stabilized for a while but the fluctuation came back after 30 minutes.
Sounds like either a clogged filter or air getting into the system. Did you check the differential pressure across the filters?
Yes, but the DP is rising slowly, so I suspect the filters giving shock. I didn't backflash yet since the pressure was still within limits. But if it drops further, you might need to switch to the clean filter or backflash the current one.
Got any alarms?
Two low fuel pressure alarms during the waters after switching pumps, but they alert.
Okay, I handled it. Chip aware.
If I inform him. His instructions, if the pressure drops below 5 bars, switch to the clean filter immediately and call him. Also, don't forget the fuel changeover before entering the ECA load at 1800 hours.
Understood. I kept a close eye on it. I'm taking over the watch now.
Alright, I have a good watch.
DP across the fuel fertilizing above normal. Pressure still unstable. Let's deal with this now. Third, meet the fuel oil filter station. We need to backflush the filter. Bring a deep drip tray and some rags.
On my way, Port.
Alright, the pressure fluctuating and the DP is rising. Let's backwash. I switch to the standby fuel oil filter first. Pressure is steady now. Good, let's backwash the dirty filter.
Backflashing complete. Filters clean.
Good job. Let's plug the backflush and keep the clean filter on standby. Problem solved now. I'm keeping monitoring the pressure closely and good watch so far.
Sure.